Hello everyone. Welcome back to the series, Speed Art Thursdays, where I make speed art videos of logo designs and other graphic and web designs. I request you all to subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. In this video I am going to design a logo. I will begin with some of my sketches, and later I will choose any one from the designs. Enjoy the video. After eliminating some odd designs, these are the design from which I have to choose one. I decide to choose this. Now after adding it to some mockups it looks like this. That's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Also comment down how the video was. I'll be right back. Thank you for watching.